Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Nicole here from Lavender Lush Cleaning, where we try to help busy families to live cleaner and simplified lives. So today we're going to talk about blinds. We are not blind experts, however, we clean blinds, and I thought it would be great to talk about how to know when it's time to buy new blinds. Now, we frequently get asked questions about wiping down blinds, and it's something, honestly, that we don't do too much because of the fact that blinds are very delicate. Blinds tend to get damaged very easily, and they get things like grease on them and grime, especially the ones in the kitchen. And so here are some tips to know when it's time to change your blinds. Now, my home has these faux wooden blinds that have been in our home for over 10 years. And I had a window covering expert come out to give us some ideas on what we can do to replace them, because we have a south-facing home, so the front of our home, it just gets blasted by the sun all day long, which is nice in the winter, and it melts the snow and the ice in the driveway. However, all of our blinds are cooked, and they are just yellow, and in the beginning, I thought they were just really dirty, but what I learned is that they're actually baked. And when the window covering expert guy came out, he explained that a lot of the blinds that were made during that time frame contained a lot of different types of material and chemicals in them, because what we've noticed is that when it's really humid in the home, the blinds emit this really weird chemical smell. It's disgusting. And so I was on a mission to get them all replaced. I thought they looked really nice, especially from the outside. But we are in Utah and we get a lot of sun. In the summertime, it gets really hot in a lot of the front-facing rooms. And so we decided to go with some of the cellular shades, and I'm super excited for that. However, we get clients a lot of times that ask us to wipe down blinds, and every time we have gone out to take a look at them, most of the time they are sun-baked, or they have a ton of grime on them and grease and just different buildup from around the home, with a layer of dust also cooked on top of that. And so if you think about it, cleaning just one strip of those blinds can take a lot of time, because it does take scrubbing. And if you have ever tried scrubbing blinds, you know how delicate they can be and how much damage you can cause with just one little mistake. And so if you realize that your blinds are very discolored, have a lot of buildup on them, and are very old, and especially if they're giving off a really weird smell, it might be time to consult with a blinds or window covering professional to see if you can get them replaced for something more modern, something that is maybe more energy efficient, that can block out some heat or help with even cold if you live in that type of environment, and they will be able to direct you in the right direction. However, asking a cleaning company to clean your blinds, especially if they have been cooking in the sun for years and years with tons of buildup, might not be the best solution for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this content and you found it useful, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell so that you can get notifications whenever we release new videos.